Welcome to Engine. Today, I will walk you through how to launch your first Engine run. Engine automatically manages your machine learning workflow, so you can focus on getting results. Let's use Engine to train a pytorch digit classifier on the mnist dataset. First, create a project. Select a project owner from the dropdown. Project owners can be either users or teams. Next, give your project a name and an optional description. Once you are finished, click Create. Now let's head over to the project. Our Quick Start project is currently empty. Let's start training our pytorch model. Head over to the EngineML Examples repository on GitHub. You can access this page from our documentation site. Clone the repository onto your machine. In the Examples directory, you will see a script called get-data. This will download the mnist dataset into a directory called data. Next, pip install the pytorch mnist requirements. For the final step, modify the engine run configuration in the pytorch mnist directory. Update this file so that the repository field has your project name for its value. Note that the owner of the project must be included in the repository name. Now we're ready to run. To start your first run, execute engine run with the path to the run configuration you just modified. Engine will produce a run ID. This ID uniquely identifies your run. Your code, logs, and output files will be associated with this ID. Once the run is finished, Engine will do one final synchronization step to ensure that all your data is tracked. Engine will also send you an email alert once this run completes. You can interact with the command line interface to see all of your runs, logs, and download output files. Our last run produced an accuracy of 96.9. Let's see if we can improve it by modifying the learning rate. Open the pytorch mnist train script. I'll try doubling the learning rate to see if our model produces better results. Once we start the run, Engine will automatically commit any modified files. It will also tag those commits with the Engine run ID. Great, this time we got an accuracy of 97.7. We can quickly compare our results with the engine list command. To see the code differences between these two runs, you can just use get-diff. Let's head over to the Engine dashboard and see what functionality is available. From the Run List view, Engine allows you to compare runs in TensorBoard. Here we can verify that our second run, Colorful Assembly, learned faster than our first. Next, let's take a look at our system utilization metrics. During a run, Engine tracks system metrics from CPUs, GPUs, network, and disk. Drill-down metrics for each metric are shown below. By embedding an Engine annotate command in your code, you can synchronize system utilization with the script you ran. Annotations are shown as vertical lines in the metrics. Let's take a look at some more details about our last run. On the overview page, you will see the metadata that produced this run, including creation time, commit SHA, and commit message. The most recent TensorBoard scalar values are also shown here. Next, let's see our logs. Logs from standard out are in white and standard error are in red. You can also download all your logs from the options dropdown in the top right corner. Up next is the Output tab. Here you can view and download all files generated by this run. Note that Engine only tracks files written to the Engine output folder. The timeline view provides an audit trail of every event for this run. Here we can see when this run was launched and when it finished. Finally, we have the Configuration tab. This shows the Engine run configuration you used to launch the run. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out on our community Slack group. Thank you for watching.